God. Oh my God. Thank you.
Regine. Follow, like, and subscribe.
Lol, what you break now? Nothing. I'm just trying to figure it out, because you are requesting me to do a ASMR video because I got a mic. So now I need to practice. So my practice now is like this. You should listen. Okay. Hi guys, this is ASMR. Is that okay, amigo? You are my... I'm practicing. Hey, you need to be supportive on me because you're the one who is requesting. Huh, amigo? Okay, I'm getting it there. Okay. So is it okay? Yeah, my style is like that. Do you think I'll get more viewers on doing that ASMR? Yeah. Parang nang parang nang kukulang. Aray ko kasi amigo naman kasi. Kasi na-request pa amigo. My breath. I don't like the smell. Yeah, ASMR breath sound. Yeah, my breath. I can hold my breath. Oh my God, amigo. Yeah, but at least I got an idea, and I got an idea from you, right? So let me try that. Yeah. So we should have a deal. If I reach 1K views on that ASMR, you should have to support me here. Amigo, what do you think? I will upload it soon. Yeah, that kind of ASMR vlog, yeah, video. Yeah. Okay, let's do. Yeah, we can do that soon. Soon, amigo. Why not, right? Why not to try different content on your YouTube channel, right? Yeah. I am very thankful that you are so much supportive on me. But first, I need to watch some ASMR content first, yeah, because some of them, they use something like, yeah, like that. They scratch the mic like that. Now, guys, I am trying to tell you that my breath has... Am I right? Yeah. Ay, pinagagawa ko dito, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo guys, pag live streaming ka, ang sarap sa feeling kasi tawa ka lang ng tawa. Ay, yeah, it's gonna do good, yeah. And trust, yeah. Trust the process. Right? Hi everyone, welcome to the live stream. Of course, amigo, yeah. We should have to trust ourselves, yeah. Believe in yourself, yeah. That's the only thing that can make you a success. Confused ako sa English ko, tama. I'm really confused about my grammar, I'm not really good in English. Am I right to say that? to si Amigo. Amigo! Wow! Thank you, amigo. Gracias, gracias. Amigo, can you hear my music? I am about to start now to our job. Yes. You know. Okay, thank you. Okay, again. Wow, thank you. Gracias, amigo. But I can't have all that love with you. I can't have all that love with you. Gracias, amigo. Thank you so much. Gracias, amigo. Hey, thank you so much. I got a big bonus from that. I got 79 coins bonus from the because of what you sent. Thank you so much, amigo. You mean sore throat? Yeah, something like that, amigo. Yeah, there is something in my throat. Yeah, maybe there is a snake inside. Snake? What? What? Oh, day. I don't know what to say. Something like that. Yeah. You understand me, right? As long as we understand each other, yeah, it's gonna be fine, right? The snake is eating my throat. Huh? What? Your English, yeah. Sorry, amigo, my English is not that really good, yeah, but I keep on trying my best for you to understand what I'm trying to say. I'm so sorry about that, amigo. But I'm so thankful you understand me, right? So that's why, amigo, I really got you. That's why I really like you, amigo. Hi, welcome to my live stream. Amigo, we don't have tequila here. Yeah, here in Philippines, the best medicine for coughing, for sore throat is Red Horse. Yeah. So siya tequila. Red Horse only, amigo. Yeah, Red Horse. You can search that. Yeah. Hi, Beso. Yeah, search that. Yeah. Try to search that. Yeah, Red Horse in Philippines. Yeah, that's popular alcohol here in Philippines. Then you put a lot of ice on it, and then you should have your peanut. Oh my God, it's really refreshing. I need some of that Red Horse. Yes, yeah. Try it. It's maybe there in your place. It was like beer. Yeah. But yeah, it's a beer actually here. Red Horse, yeah. Try that, amigo. If you are here near, yeah. If you are really near here in my place, I will come there in your house and then yeah, I'll give you some Red Horse. Yeah. That's really refreshing, yeah. But I'm not teaching you on how to become an alcoholic, okay? I'm just trying to say Red Horse is very refreshing when you have it. Yeah, because I tried that many times. Yeah. No, I'm not really. You know? Yeah, for now, my favorite drink is red wine, sweet red wine, yeah. But if you want to give me sponsor for Red Horse, then why not? Hi, Vitotas! Vitotas! Vitotas is from Lithuania. Yeah. And hi, Fanny Giraffe. And Amigo El Azul is from Spain, right? Are you from Spain, right, amigo? Spain or Mexico? I forgot. Sorry, amigo. Tula by Gracie. Oh, see, guys. Ayan, may tara. Let's try. You are very beautiful. Taip. Ayan. Taip. Gracias. Thank you. Thank you, Vitotas. Lithuanian to. Nahihirapan siya makaintindi ng English. So, kailangan itatype ko. Thank you so much. I'm from Japan. Ay, wow. Me, I'm from the bottom of your heart. Hi, ang ganda kabayan. Thank you po, pusa. Thank you. Ay, aso pala yun. Nakala ko pusa. Sorry. Hello, Ate Ita 973. Hello po, kabayan. Kamusta ka, kabayan? Yeah, I thought you are the pusa. Ano pala, aso pa? Akala ko pusa yung profile mo eh. Sorry. Kakauwi mo lang ng Pinas? Ay, wow! Welcome sa Pinas! Andito ka na naman sa mga... Welcome to the toxic place. Charot. Aray ko. Maninibago pa sa oras. Welcome sa Pinas, naghihirap na bansa. Yun ay kung pinapahirap mo, huwag mo masyadong pahirapan ang sarili mo. Ha? Kabayan, huwag mo masyadong pahirapan ang sarili mo. Yeah. Kung mag-alala, magiging okay din ang lahat, kabayan. Magtiwala ka lang, ha? O, ipagpatuloy mo lang ang iyong pagiging successful, kabayan. Dahil lahat ng paghihirap mo ay wala lang. Sabi ko lang. Naman yun. Wala lang, may mapag-usapan lang. Charot. Aray ko. Okay guys, let's continue our song na ha. Trabaho muna tayo. Okay, tama na ang commercial. Okay, let's work again. Thank you for the follow, Ahmad. Uy, thank you naman. Suporta sa atin. Later na mag-request pag may pang-gift na di pa naka-replenish eh. Ay, abay mo naman? Sana all ganyan. Uy, okay lang yan. Oh, kahit wala kang pang-gift. Ako din eh, wala rin akong pang-gift eh. Quits lang tayo. Oo. Sige, pero salamat sa pakikinig ha, kabayan ha. Welcome sa live ko, kabayan. Mag-iingat ka dyan, kabayan. Kabayan, matanong ko lang, kabayan. Hindi ko kasi malaman kung lalaki ka ba o babae. Kabayan, ikaw ba ay lalaki? Or ikaw ba ay babae? Dahil pag tinitignan ko ang iyong profile ay ikaw ay isang aso. Nakaka-relax naman kasi ganitong stream. Wala, uy, thank you naman, kabayan. Buti ka pa nare-relax. Yung iba kasi nabubuisit sa akin eh. Aray ko. Uy, kabayan, thank you ha. Mag-iingat ka, kabayan, kung nasaan ka man lalaking Pomeranian ka. Ay. Sige, ikaw ay lalaking Pomeranian. At dahil ikaw ay lalaki, at ako ay babae. Kabayan, ano ka ba? Charot lang, kabayan. Pinapatawa lang kita, kabayan, ha? Oo naman, kabayan. Manood ka lang na manood sa stream ko, ha? Oo. 1 month vacation ka, so 1 month kang makakapanood. Diba? 1 month din pala akong palamunin at katuga. Ano yung katuga? Kain, tulog, gala. Alam mo, kabayan, eh? Alam ko yun, kabayan. Katuga. Kain, tulog, gala. Ang galing ni kabayan. Oh. Naku, kabayan nga tayo. Magkaparehas tayo ng iniisip, kabayan. Nadali mo, oo, nadali ko, kabayan. Batang-bata. Ay, naku, kabayan. Oh, you love me? Hi, love. Oh my God. Oh my God, love. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ooh, Diman. You are my man? Is that you, my man? You are my man. Easy on me, babe. I have been busy. Oh yeah, I know, it's okay, don't you worry. Whether you have time, you are always welcome here, my love. I feel flattered. My God. It's okay, Diman, yeah. The important thing is you are
Trust
here
the most
now,
recommended
again and
by
again.
doctors.
Yeah.
Wilkins Distilled.
So what's your plan for today, my love? So sweet. Thank you so much for being here. Hi, famous crocodile. Welcome. Do you have any plans today, Dimon Demon? Yeah, you are so much busy, Dimon Demon. Yeah, I know that you are so much busy. How many? Yeah. How many works do you have? Yeah, because you're so much busy. Have you watched my YouTube? Yeah. Yeah, you watch my YouTube. Yeah, I'm doing my everyday routine there. If you want, if you just want my love, okay. Well, it is late here, so I am just relaxing. I have not seen your YouTube. That's my YouTube, Regine 457. Yeah, you should watch me there. Yeah, but I don't have much viewers. I don't have much subscribers. Yeah, I'm not that famous. I'm just a simple lady who is trying to, to do stream. That's it, Anyway, let's just try to sing a song for you again, my love. Since you are here, my love. Yeah, this is the only thing that I can do for you, my love, just to sing a song. Thank you so much.